Students, today I am taking the last chapter of lesson 1 of history, that is the revolution and everyday life in France. After the French Revolution of 1789, various changes took place that changed the life of the people there in France. They started practicing the ideals of the French Revolution. Those were liberty, equality, and fraternity. Of course, laws were passed by the revolutionary governments to practice these ideas. It means to say that the laws were passed to regulate everyday lives of men, women, and children in France. Such a law was the abolition of censorship in France. It was passed just after when the Bastille prison was demolished in the summer of 1789. Actually, the written documents, matters, and cultural performances, just as songs and dramas, uh, books and newspapers. These were the written materials, and could not be published until these were sanctioned by the censors of the king. It was done during the old regime, means the period before the beginning of the French Revolution. After the Revolution, the Constitution of 1791 declared the natural rights of man and citizen in France. It guaranteed the freedom of speech and expression of thoughts as a natural right. Now, the newspapers, books, magazines, pamphlets, and other printed materials were filled in the market with pictures. By and by, these materials had access to countryside. Here, people debated upon the events happening in France. Decent opinion or printing of opposite views was given importance, was also honored, also got respect, because dissent was the part of the freedom of speech and expression of thoughts. It meant that people were free to express their opinion for or against any issue. In this way, the writers tried to convince the audience with their different views through the print media. Dance and plays conveyed the idea of liberty to the illiterate people of France, which were large in number. This was the very idea about which the handful of literates became aware by reading the books of the political philosophers. That's all. Thank you.